Welcome to Techmirror. In today's video, we're diving into the world of premium olive oils with our top 5 finest extra virgin olive oils to buy in 2025. Whether you're a foodie, home chef, or health enthusiast, choosing the right EVOO can transform your cooking and boost your well-being. Stay tuned as we review the best options, highlighting flavor, quality, and health benefits. Let's elevate your culinary experience together. Number 5. Bertolli Extra Virgin Olive Oil, Rich Taste, 16.9 fluid ounces, is a premium choice for those seeking authentic Mediterranean flavors. With over 150 years of heritage, Bertolli has mastered the art of crafting high-quality olive oils. This unrefined, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil delivers a robust, fruity flavor that elevates any dish. Its 392 degrees Fahrenheit smoke point makes it perfect for salads, bread dipping, marinades, and pasta dishes. Packaged in a dark bottle to preserve its freshness, this non-GMO olive oil ensures every pour is flavorful and aromatic. Proper storage in a cool, dry place away from heat and light keeps it tasting its best. User reviews highlight its appeal. "Great taste on everything," praised one reviewer. Another noted, "Excellent olive oil, but the plastic bottle was unexpected. Consider avoiding plastic containers for lipid-soluble products." Overall, Bertolli Extra Virgin Olive Oil stands out for its rich taste and versatility, making it a must-have in every kitchen. While some may prefer glass packaging, the quality and depth of flavor make this olive oil a top pick for home cooks and chefs alike. Number 4. La Tourangelle Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil, 16.9 fluid ounces, offers a premium culinary experience crafted from cold-pressed, high-antioxidant picual olives sourced from Spain. Its intense, fruity profile features notes of freshly cut grass, almond, and olive leaves, finishing with a bright peppery kick. This unrefined organic olive oil is GMO-free, gluten-free, kosher, and vegan, ensuring both quality and dietary inclusivity. Renowned for artisanal craftsmanship, La Tourangelle delivers exceptional taste using the finest ingredients. Its versatile flavor enhances a wide range of dishes, from salads and meats to pastas and more. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, its balanced taste and nutritional value elevate everyday meals. Committed to sustainability, La Tourangelle produces its oils using environmentally friendly methods. Their lineup includes award-winning oils such as toasted sesame and grapeseed oil, bringing global culinary inspirations into your kitchen. User reviews emphasize its usability and flavor. One reviewer shared, "A great quality olive oil for salads. That extra virgin makes all the difference." Another mentioned, "Good size to keep lifting to pour. I have arthritis and weak hands. It adds a nice taste to scrambled eggs, chicken, and salmon. Not glass is nice too. Easy to open with weak hands." Overall, La Tourangelle Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil stands out for its superior quality, sustainable production, and exceptional taste. Number 3. Graza Sizzle Extra Virgin Olive Oil, 25.3 fluid ounces, is a high-quality cooking oil made from mature, mid-season picual olives sourced from Jaén, Spain. Known for its mellow flavor and high smoke point, Sizzle is perfect for everyday cooking methods like roasting, searing, baking, and frying. Its smooth, velvety taste blends fruity and grassy notes with a mild, peppery finish, making it versatile for various culinary creations. The single-origin, cold-pressed production process ensures authenticity and freshness with no blending or artificial additives. The convenient squeeze bottle design adds a fun, practical touch, making pouring easy and mess-free. Sizzle's balanced taste enhances dishes from chicken cutlets and roasted vegetables to even unconventional recipes like chocolate chip cookies. User reviews highlight its superior quality and exceptional flavor. One reviewer shared, "This olive oil has wonderful flavor and is great to cook with. I like that it's single origin from Spain and not a blend from different places." Another stated, "The aroma was heavenly, with hints of fresh grass and a subtle peppery undertone. The packaging is brilliant, and I love the squirt bottle." Overall, Graza Sizzle Extra Virgin Olive Oil stands out for its exceptional taste, versatile use, and commitment to authenticity. It's a must-have for anyone passionate about cooking with premium olive oil. Number 2. Desert Miracle Cold-pressed Moroccan extra virgin olive oil, 17 fluid ounces, is a premium organic olive oil rich in polyphenols, making it both flavorful and exceptionally healthy. Produced from olive trees growing in Morocco's harsh, rocky desert near Casablanca, this EVOO thrives under extreme conditions, resulting in a highly nutritious oil packed with antioxidants. The unique terroir, with intense temperature fluctuations and limited water, stresses the olive trees, prompting them to produce olives with unparalleled unparalleled nutritional density. The oil's cold-pressed extraction preserves its robust, fruity flavor with a smooth, peppery finish, ensuring high quality and authenticity. Renowned by Michelin-starred chefs and luxury establishments worldwide, Desert Miracle is a top choice for enhancing gourmet dishes. Its versatility makes it perfect for salads, marinades, and even drizzling over finished meals. User reviews highlight its superior taste and health benefits. One reviewer stated, "This Desert Miracle organic extra virgin olive oil tied for first place with the Atlas brand. It actually had the flavor of olives. None of the others had an actual olive flavor." Another praised its health properties. 60% more polyphenols than other olive oils. "It tastes great, and I use less dressing because I drizzle Desert Miracle on salads and other dishes." Overall, Desert Miracle EVOO delivers exceptional taste, health benefits, and culinary versatility, making it a must-have for olive oil enthusiasts. Number 1. VIRGEEN. Number 1. Drinking extra virgin olive oil, 16.9 fluid ounces, is a Gold Award-winning Italian olive oil celebrated for its rich polyphenol content and exceptional taste. This 100% unrefined, cold-pressed EVOO comes from a single-family farm in Tuscany, Italy, ensuring the highest quality and authenticity. Harvested and pressed within 4 hours, VIRGEEN's olives retain maximum nutritional and phenolic properties, making this olive oil a powerful health booster. Its bold, peppery finish and fruity undertones make it perfect for both drinking and finishing dishes. The elegant dark glass bottle preserves freshness while enhancing its premium presentation. Use it as a daily health supplement with 1 tablespoon each morning, or drizzle it over salads, bread, and gourmet recipes for an authentic Mediterranean experience. User reviews praise its top-tier quality and culinary versatility. One customer shared, "The flavor is the best you'll ever experience." Packaged in a heavy, dark glass bottle, it comes from Florence, Italy, and is cold-pressed within 4 hours after picking. Another reviewer noted, "Taste was better than average, but a bit overpriced for the slight improvement." Overall, VIRGEEN No. 1 drinking extra virgin olive oil stands out for its superior taste, exceptional health benefits, and artisanal production. It's a premium choice for anyone passionate about authentic, high-quality olive oil. Thanks for watching our review of the top 5 finest extra virgin olive oils to buy in 2025. We hope this guide helps you choose the perfect EVOO for your kitchen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Techmirror, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and buying guides. Share your favorite olive oil in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking and stay healthy.